sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of History Channel. Valley Heritage. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone life, my happiness. Jai Hind.
Today, international and national news is brought to you by Frankie from Grade 9 to 12. International news. Rishi Sunak visits Kyiv, announced new aid defense package for Ukraine. Turkey launches airstrike over northern Syria. Malaysia faces new princess tax force delivers on parliament. National news. Srinagar set for 980 crore rupees makeover. That NGO Pratham gets Indira Gandhi prizes for work in education. Central launches Toilet 2.0 campaign in Bengaluru. Thank you. Next, my friend will continue 8 and 4 news.
State and Sports News brought to you by KC Karthika of Grade 9 Topaz. State News. CM KCR likely to integrate collectorate in Mahabub Nagar. Kottagudem Youths Research help release of UTPS. Sports News. India beats New Zealand by 65 wickets in second T20I. World Cup champion Max Verstappen wins season closing Abu Dhabi Grand Prix. FIFA WC Valencia race gives Ecuador 20 lead at the break versus Ecuador. My friend will be continued weather report.
This weather report is brought to you by Bill and Kumar of Grade 9 Topaz. Weather report. Minimum temperature 20 degrees Celsius or 293 Kelvin. Maximum temperature 22 degrees Celsius or 295 Kelvin. That's the end of this weather report. Thank you. Have a nice day. My friend will be continued by Thought.
Today's thought is brought to you by Michael from Grade 9 Topaz. Thought. Success is the sum of several small effects, often repeated day in and day out. I repeat it again. Success is the sum of several small effects, often repeated day in and day out. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. Today's word is brought to you by D.D. Gilberton from Grade 9 Topaz. Like charismatic. A person who possesses special traits that attract, inspire or fascinate other people. Friends, please spell after me. Charismatic. CHA RAS MATIC. Charismatic. Thank you. Have a nice day. Next, my friend will continue GK questions.
Yes, GK questions for grade 1 to 6 is brought to you by P. Rohan Kausik of Grade 9 Topaz. Question for grade 1 and 2. Which color starts with letter G? Yes, you picked up the right answer. The answer is green. Let us appreciate it. Question for grade 3 and 4. Who was the first president of India? I repeat the question. Who was the first president of India? Yes, you picked up the right answer. And the answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question for grade 5 and 6. Which color is symbol of peace?
White.
Yes, you picked up the right answer. The answer is white. Let us appreciate it. GK questions for grade 7 to 9 is brought to you by my friend Rupesh. Thank you.
GK question from grade 7 to 9 and open question is brought to you by K. Rupesh Kumar from grade 9 to 12. Question for 7 and 8. Who is the author of God of Small Things? I repeat it. Who is author of God of Small Things? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer. Answer is Arundhati Roy. Question for grade 9. The person who drives a train is called as? Yes, you picked up the right answer. The answer is loco pilot. Let us appreciate them. Open question for all. Who found concept of gravitation for the first time? Yes, you picked up the right answer. Let us appreciate them. Thank you.
What is the full name? That is important. No? Newton is not Ashoka Chakra. The Ashoka Chakra is a depiction of the Dharma Chakra. It is called so because it appears on a number of edicts of Ashoka. The most visible use of the Ashoka Chakra today is at the center of the flag of India that was adopted on 22nd July 1947, where it is rendered in a navy blue color on a white background replacing the symbol of charka, the spinning wheel of the pre-independence versions of the flag. It is also shown in the Ashoka Chakra medal, which is the highest award for gallantry in peacetime. There are 24 spokes in the Ashoka Chakra which represent 24 qualities of a person. In other words, these spokes can be termed as the 24 religious paths made for humans. The first spoke describes the chastity, which means to inspire to live a simple life. Second spoke says the healthy, inspires to be healthy from body and mind. Third spoke says the peace, to maintain peace and harmony throughout the country. Fourth spoke describes the sacrifice, to be ready to sacrifice for the sake of country and society. Fifth spoke describes the morality, to maintain high morality in profession and personal life. Sixth spoke describes the service, to be ready to serve country and society when needed. Seventh spoke describes the forgiveness, a feeling of forgiveness towards humans and other creatures. Eighth spoke says love, feeling of love towards the country and all other creatures of God. Ninth spoke says friendship, to have cordial relationship with all the citizens. Tenth spoke says fraternity, to develop a sense of brotherhood in the country. And 11th spoke says organization, strengthening the unity and integrity of the nation. 12th spoke says welfare, participation in welfare activities related to country. 13th spoke says prosperity, actively participate in the development of the country. And 14th spoke describes the industry, to assist the country in its industrial progress. 15th spoke says safety, to be always ready for the protection of the country. And 16th spoke describes awareness, to be aware of the truth and don't believe in rumors. 17th spoke says equality, establishment of a society based on equality. 18th spoke says artha, optimum utilization of money. And 19th spoke says policy, which means to have faith in the country's policy. And 20th spoke says justice, talking about justice for all. And 21st spoke says cooperation. And 22nd spoke says duties, which means to obey your duties honestly. And 23rd spoke says rights, which means to not abuse your rights. And at the last 24th spoke says wisdom, to have knowledge beyond books. Thus each spoke of the Ashoka Chakra has its own meaning. All the spokes talk about the holistic development of the country. These spokes give a clear message to all the countrymen about their rights and duties. These spokes are like 24 principles that should be followed by citizens so that the differences of caste, religion, language and attire can be minimized. Thank you.